Welcome to our Ultimate Trimmer Showdown. Today, we will compare two of the most popular grooming kits on the market: the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for precision, versatility, or ease of use, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Let's start with the number of attachments. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 comes with 7 versatile attachments, making it suitable for various grooming needs. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 offers an impressive 23 attachments, providing a comprehensive solution for beard, hair, and body grooming. This extensive set allows for more customization and versatility in your grooming routine. Next, let's discuss battery technology. The Braun Series 5 uses a NiMH battery, which provides an 80-minute runtime after a 5-hour charge. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 features a lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 5 hours on a single charge. This difference in battery technology can significantly impact your grooming experience, especially if you prefer longer usage without frequent recharging. Finally, let's compare the blade materials. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit features ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, designed for precision cutting. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is equipped with self-sharpening titanium blades, known for their durability and long-lasting sharpness. This can make a significant difference in the quality of your grooming results, especially for thicker hair types. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 offer unique features that cater to different grooming needs. If you prefer a simpler kit with fewer attachments, the Braun may be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for versatility and a longer-lasting battery, the Philips is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.